Joe here. What is up? Today I am with my friend Seppy.
What's up guys? We're here at Palazzo Verde, a very famous reception place here in the south.
And today we are gonna do a video comparison for the DJI Mavic Pro and the DJI Phantom 4 Pro and which drone is good for you. So let's go, Seppy.
Alright, let's go.
Drones have been a revolutionary tool to make videos more cinematic and professional. Since Seppy and I are both travel vloggers, drones have been a great asset in our travel videos by showing a bird's eye view of the places that we've been to. I currently own the DJI Mavic Pro, while Seppy owns the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. In this video, we'll let you know why we decided to choose these types of drones to produce our travel vlogs. Right off the bat, the most obvious difference between the two is the size of the two models. The Mavic Pro is a foldable drone that can produce 4K footages and raw format photos. It has a 3-axis gimbal, making sure your footages are stable while on flight, with a max flight time of 27 minutes. The Phantom 4 Pro, on the other hand, has a 1-inch CMOS sensor that can produce 4K at 60 frames per second. It has a mechanical shutter, 5 directions of optical sensing, and it has a max flight time of 30 minutes. What I love about the DJI Mavic Pro is because of its size itself. Exterior features of the Mavic is quite fitting to my needs because I can easily collapse the propellers, I can easily pack it up, and convenience-wise that is the main reason why I got the Mavic Pro, because as a DIY traveler, I need to travel light. One thing I have to say to improve about the Mavic is its remote. I love everything about the drone, however, ergonomic-wise, comparing to the remotes of the Phantom series, where they place the screen on top of the remote, I don't like it how they place the screen on the bottom of the controller. Your neck will get tired from looking down for a long period, unless you have to lift the remote more or you have to buy a separate mount to give yourself more comfort.
The DJI Phantom 4 Pro, actually, specs-wise, this guy is a beast. 24 megapixel, 1-inch sensor inside. I think it's the most advanced DJI Phantom yet. So this Phantom actually is it's up there right next to the Inspire. And well, image quality wise kaya ako siya binili is because in my profession as a videographer, I need something that will give me the same quality as the cameras that I use. Para hindi ganun kahirap when it comes to grading, hindi ganun kahirap when it comes to matching the footages. I need something that can be good in low light as well. I need something that is good in color. So this is the specs that I need within my profession.
If you ask me why I would pick a P4P over my drone, is its flight performance. The 5 obstacle sensors would definitely give you a more ease of mind when flying, unless you decide to turn off those sensors. The speed of the P4P is much faster, having a 72 km/h in sports mode over the 65 km/h sport mode of the Mavic. In terms of price of the DJI Mavic, I'm pretty content on what power and what features it can bring out to what I want to create in my videos. Well, one, I'm actually paying for convenience rather than quality-wise. If I would rather pick quality, I would pick the DJI Phantom 4. But if you're the type of person who is really into the convenience, then pick this drone instead. Since we're now talking about convenience, we'll now talk about how we feel about how convenient is it to own a Mavic and a P4P.
Well, sa convenience-wise, it's not very convenient to bring, even though it comes ready with a carry case. But having that carry case is a much more better option than having a big luggage for the Inspire, or having the box itself lang for the Phantom 3 Pro. I was a previous Phantom 3 Pro user, and actually nahirapan akong dalhin siya everywhere because the hard case, the hard bag that comes with, you have to purchase it separately. That will cost us around 5,000 for it. But with this guy, it has this carry-on case, which is gives it a little more convenience, but space-wise, it's still pretty big.
I've actually experienced and met people who are really pros. They actually buy an Inspire just for leisure, and they actually felt the hassle of actually setting them up because they spend so much more time setting up either a Phantom series or an Inspire, and they actually sold those drones and they bought the DJI Mavic Pro instead because they just have to unfold it, fix the propellers, set up the calibration, and that's it.
So to be honest, I was contemplating on buying the Mavic Pro versus this guy right here. Well, the Mavic Pro was one of my options because yeah, convenience, and plus I think it would also produce the same image quality as close as this guy. But the thing is that what really sold me with the Phantom 4 Pro was the 1-inch sensor and the fact that you can change apertures. I think it's a really helpful way for us videographers or any aerial videographers out there to change their exposure when they can and when they need to. Because previously with my Phantom 3 Pro, I need to buy like filters and all sorts of stuff to get just to get the right exposure. But with the help of the control of its aperture, it's way easy for me to change it in flight or in any exposure situations.
In terms of price, a standard Mavic Pro package would cost you around $1,000 over a $1,400 retail price of the P4P. But if you decide to buy the Mavic Pro Fly More combo, which has additional useful accessories for your Mavic, you're almost spending the same amount as the standard P4P package. So that is it, guys. This is my video comparison between the DJI Mavic Pro and the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. And I would like to give a special thanks to Seppy. He is a really great travel vlogger. If you haven't known him, I will put a link down in the description. Check him out and subscribe to him. Also, what are your thoughts between these two drones, and which drone do you think you should get for your needs? Put down your answer in the comment section. So that is it. This is Serrano signing out, and I'll see you in my next video.